And today we're going to make homemade fudge. Now, first thing you've got to do is turn on the oven, okay? You're going to turn on your burner and you're going to put it at a high heat. Now, it's really important. The number one thing that's so very important about making fudge is the pan. Make sure your pan is a non-stick Teflon coated pan. If you just use any old pan, it'll stick, it'll be really messy. So make sure you've used the Teflon pan that has like a thin coating, not a really heavy Teflon pan or oven cookery, okay? So that's rule number one. Then what you're gonna start with is 3/4 cup of margarine or butter. Now, usually I use butter in baking, but with homemade fudge, I've learned through my 20 years of expert experience to use, of all things, Parquet margarine. And the people at Parquet aren't paying me to tell you that, okay? So you are gonna melt 3/4 cup of margarine. And as you see, it's gonna go pretty quick. And you just keep stirring it. And what's the most important thing to have really, really smooth fudge is the stirring. So we're gonna put that 3/4 cup of margarine in there. And before it's even melted, you can add your 3/4 cup condensed milk and 3 cups, okay, 3 cups of sugar. It's fudge, it's sugar. They go together.